pot holder requires 3 squares. 2 squares of cotton, same, and 1 square of towel. Just use your old towels and recycle them. These squares don't need to be a specific size as long as all 3 are the same. Mine, for reference, are 10 inches 25 centimeters. Method of construction is lay down your towel piece. On top of that, lay 1 cotton face up, then lay another cotton on top face down. I'm going to pin and stitch. We're going to stitch it all the way around the edge, ½ inch or 1 centimetre, but we're going to leave a hole here. We're not stitching that section for us to turn it inside out. So now we've done that, we're going to clip the corners, which means just cut straight across the corner but not cutting through your stitching. This will help it sit flatter when we turn it inside out. And then from your hole we'll pull everything through. You can just use your scissors or a pencil to poke your corners out nice and sharp. If you want to add a hanging loop, this is the point where we'll hang that. So you can use a piece of cotton tape, cotton ribbon, or you can make your own loop. So this is what I've done. This little strip here will make 2 loops. The width of that is 4 centimetres or 1½ inches. The length of it is 12 inches 30 centimetres. Just fold the edges into the middle, double it up again, iron it, and run a stitch down the edge. So there, I've stitched it. We can cut this in half to make 2 loops. So this 1 loop, find the hole we left. I'm just going to pin it inside that hole in whatever way you like the look of. Then we're going to top stitch the whole edge all the way around, ½ centimetre or 1/4 inch away from the edge. So now we've stitched the edge. This is perfectly fine as it is, or if you want you can also stitch some quilting stitches just to hold the insides together, so that's what I'm going to do on mine. So there's the quilting stitching finished. Now you just need to make a second one, so you've got a pair. There you go, easy pot holders.